before you say yung expenses, so from free resources, nag-decide ka, paano ka nag-decide to find a teacher?
Although okay yung free resources, I need structure. I would say yes and no.
Oo.
Yes, kasi pronunciation-wise, may mga video naman. Pero in French language, it's important to train your ears.
Okay.
So, kailangan talaga, meron ka talagang kabatuhan.
Pero I mean, kung talagang desperate ka at wala ka talagang pera, kung kakayanin mo, kung gugustuhin mo, pwedeng sa free.
Ang sa akin lang kasi, kaya it's important to get a tutor or someone na alam yung structure ng exam is para you don't waste time trying to learn stuff na alam mo yun, na pwede namang hindi mo aralin kasi hindi naman siya
Kasama sa exam.
kasama sa exam.
So, nung na-determine mo na mas gusto mo yung one-on-one, how were you able to find yung specific na teacher or...
Hindi, yun na nga, yung cost muna yung pa-discuss.
So, the package was 5,600 Canadian dollars for 200 hours.
How much yun per hour, me? Pagkagan.
So,
5,000 divided by 200.
so that's $28.
$28 an hour.
$28 an hour. Kasi with studying French, meron tayong A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So, I can say na siguro hanggang A2. I just know na yung A2 is like survival French. Usually, yung ginagawa ng mga tao sa group, nakikita ko lang after nilang ma-solidify yung A2 nila, they'll go to B1 and then kukuha na sila ng tutor na ipe-prep na sila sa exam.
Okay.
So,
Kaya
yung
na yun. Pag ikaw ang magde-determine kung B1 ka na, paano yun?
Ang magde-determine nun,
Sino?
actually yung
Yung instructor mo?
yung
teacher
instructor mo. Kasi
Okay.
pag may mga lesson kayo, pag kinakausap ka na, syempre, pag di mo, like example, di mo kayang ma-conjugate yung verb. Conjugate in layman's term, or parang...
Yes,
kunyari,
me.
kung
What is conjugate?
Kung parang i-compare natin siya sa English language, is yung parang mga...
Paano mo siya idudugtong-dugtong? Ifo-form? Ganon?
No, it's para siyang run, ran, ran.
Yung past, present, ganon?
Yes.
Yun,
So,
future.
meron siyang present indicative.
Yung mga tenses.
Meron. Bali, ang French, napakadami niyang tenses. Pero, importante nga yung
Okay.
verb conjugation.
Oo.
So, pag parang hindi ka makakompose ng sentence or hindi ka pa rin nakakapagsulat, magigauge naman nila yun eh.